Hey guys, it's Alexis Sofield back at you again. It's a stupid intro. Anyways, I want to talk about what do I use to cut my leather, okay? So let it be known that I'm not some super duper expert, and I did spend some money on some really expensive knives and some trim knives. I'll show you a little overlay of those knives. Now, when I first got those knives, they're perfect. But then, you know, if they get dull, you have to sharpen it, and I'm not the best sharpener. So I'm just gonna explain to you what I did, and it's just really practical. It might be a little bit expensive in the long run, but we're talking about pennies and peanuts. I use an X-Acto knife. I have two different X-Acto knives, okay? I have an X-Acto knife number 11 and an X-Acto knife number 2. The 11 is for all my thicker stuff, and the number 2 is for my thinner stuff. And the grip's a little different. The number 2, you can kind of put your finger right here and get a little bit more, you can turn it a little bit better. And this one, I guess you could do the same. It's not really a big deal. I mean, splitting hairs here. But the beauty of these knives is that they're like, I don't know, $5, $7 each. I'll put a link in the description of where I bought it. Amazon links. I'm not affiliated to Amazon, so I'm not trying to make money like that. But the beauty of these knives is that when it takes a poop and it's not sharp anymore, I just put a new one on, okay? And I would say I changed this blade, the number 11 blade, I don't know, maybe every 10 orders. However, when I do make a bag, I put a brand new fresh blade on there, especially when I'm cutting the long panels. And as you can see, all my bags, all my videos, especially this last one, that pale green one, this bag here, I put a little picture. I use an X-Acto knife, okay? So, you know, a lot of people, you probably don't need to spend all that money on a nice trim knife. That knife that I'm showing you here, I spent some coin on that knife. And guess what? X-Acto knife does just as good. Now, I'll put links in the description like I was talking about, but you can get a pack of 100 blades for these 11s for like 17 bucks, meaning each blade is 17 cents. The number 2s are a little bit sharper, I think, and they're a little bit more expensive, and for 100, they cost $27, so 27 cents a blade. You know, if you want to factor that into your price of your cost of goods sold, you know, if you want to sell an item for $100, sell it for $100.27, and you replace your blade. I mean, it's like I said, it's pennies, okay? That's if you want to change your blade out every single time you cut something, which you can. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, the downside to these blades. Here's a bad thing about these blades. This top slips off. I hate that. I am gonna make a little sleeve or something, a leather sleeve. I've just been too lazy to do it. But I hate the fact that these covers just come off. That sucks, but whatever. It's not a big deal. I can make a little sleeve. I am a leather guy. I might as well just make one. The other thing is, I know there's different, I don't buy the X-Acto brand blades because they are more expensive. And doing my research, looking at reviews, other guys that use these blades, the XL model, I'll put a link in the description. Those are best all around, okay? And you can do your own research, you can get what you want. You can spend more money and get the actual X-Acto brand. But for what I do, is turn and burn. I feel like it's dull. Even if I feel like it, that's only 16 cents I'm throwing away. You know, it's not a big deal. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's what I use. I use these X-Actos in my shop more than I do the $200 trim knife that I use. I mean, that's just reality of it. All right, so now that we're done with that, let's talk about a little bit of some shop news real quick. I'm gonna be adding more how-to videos, and I'm not gonna do affiliate marketing, affiliate link, click this link, and then I make money on it. I'm not gonna do that, it's a pain in the butt. I probably won't have that much sales on that anyway, but I am gonna probably start a Patreon account, and you guys can donate if you'd like to for that. Yeah, and don't hate me if I'm trying to make money, okay? I am trying to make money off of you. I'm just being honest, okay? It's America. We're allowed to do that. So, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like that. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you want me to go over next, okay? I'm thinking about going over different stuff in my shop, like the surfaces, what kind of tabletops and what kind of surfaces I use to cut stuff on and things like that. We'll probably do that next video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye.